Today I'm going to show you how to use the Ultimate Flying Geese Tool. It's a really nice little ruler. I enjoy using it. And one of the best things about it is it's got these little shortcut sizes listed over here. So for example, if you want to use to get an unfinished 3x6 block, it tells you exactly what size to cut your squares so you can do 4 at a time flying geese. So let's go ahead and do a quick trim. I've got a flying geese unit here. And since I have a 3x6, I look for the 3x6 here on the ruler. It's got a white line marked F. And I line up the F and these 45-degree lines as best as I can along the diagonals of the block. And then I can trim the right and trim the top. And then what I will do next is flip this guy over, flip my ruler over, and then I also look for the 3x6 marking and line up the sides that I just trimmed along the left and bottom. And I can also double check my 45-degree lines here to make sure that they're pretty close to lined up. And then trim the right and the top. And there is a perfectly trimmed flying geese unit. Let's do one more. So again, I keep my ruler upwards, look for the 3x6 line and line up my diagonals as best as I can. This one's not perfect, but I try to even out the mismatch on both sides. Trim the right and the top. Flip this guy over, flip my ruler over, line up the left and bottom on the 3x6 lines. Check my diagonals, they look pretty good. Trim the right and the top. And there you have it, a perfectly trimmed flying geese unit.